Chapter 9. Simple machines. We do different types of work. Some types of work are easy whereas some are difficult to do. In doing some types of work, we use simple machines which make our work easy. Simple machines. A simple machine is a device or a tool that makes our work easier and faster. Unlike complex machines, such as electric fans or cars, simple machines use only a single applied force to get the work done. Simple machines have fewer parts and a simple structure. There are 6 main types of simple machines: lever, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw, wedge and pulley. Lever. A lever is a board or rigid rod that can move about a fixed point or support. It helps us lift or move heavy objects with less effort. It has 3 main parts. Fulcrum. It is the fixed point or support around which the rod moves freely. Load. It is the object on which the work is performed by applying force. Effort. It is the force applied on the rod to perform work. Based on the position of the fulcrum, load and effort, levers have been classified into 3 main types. First-class lever. In first-class lever, the fulcrum lies between the load and the effort. A pair of scissors, a seesaw, nail cutter, pliers and a crowbar are some examples of first-class levers. Second-class lever. In second-class lever, the load lies between the effort and the fulcrum. Nutcracker, bottle opener and wheelbarrow are some examples of second-class levers. Third-class lever. In third-class lever, the effort lies between the load and the fulcrum. A pair of tongs, a pair of forceps and a stapler are some examples of third-class levers. Wheel and axle. A wheel and axle is a simple machine in which a large wheel is attached to a small rod known as the axle. When the axle rotates, the wheel also rotates along with it. A screwdriver, a door knob and the wheel of a car are some examples of wheel and axle. A wheel with teeth cut on its outer rim is called a gear. When the teeth of 2 wheels, gears, are arranged together, one gear turns the other. Each of the gears is attached to a shaft. One supplies the effort and other moves the load. Thus, a pair of gears do the same job that a wheel and axle does. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a slope that helps move heavy load with less effort. It is easier to push or roll an object over an inclined plane than to lift it directly. Inclined planes can also be used to move something down a slope. Slides and ladders are some examples of inclined planes. Ramps in hospitals and other public planes are also examples of inclined planes. Screw. A screw is actually a curved slope which is wrapped around a cylinder. In other words, it can be considered to be an inclined plane curved around a cylinder. A screw is used to hold things tightly together. The grooves of the screw are the slope. The screw cap of a bottle and a screw jack are some examples of screws. Wedge. A wedge is a simple machine which has 2 inclined planes fixed together. These planes meet and form a sharp edge. Wedges are used to cut or slice objects. The edge of a knife, the head of an axe, the blade of a sword are some examples of wedges. Pulley. A pulley consists of a wheel that has grooves around it. The wheel rotates around on axle. This groove can hold a rope in position. A pulley together with a chain or rope is used to lift heavy loads by changing the direction of force. There are 2 types of pulleys, Fixed pulley and movable pulley. In a fixed pulley, the wheel is it to some support. A rope is passed over the wheel. One end of the rope is attached to the load. The effort is applied to the other end of the rope. It makes lifting heavy objects convenient and reduces effort. The fixed pulley is used for drawing water from a well or on a flag pole to hoist a flag. In a movable pulley, the pulley moves on a rope or cable. The wheel moves and the load is carried by the pulley. The movable pulley is used in cable cars and they are very common in hilly areas to cross the hills.